Hello everyone. Today my voice sounds completely different because I went to a concert last night. This is my voice. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know, but it's like totally changed. I'm trying. It's not real. Like seriously, my vocal is like fully. I shout out, I sang, I scream every lyric, and now my vocal cords are literally saying, "Bro, calm down." Okay, and I think today background is like maybe change, right? Because I'm turned on my light, but it's not working right now. So working. So soon we see brightness, high brightness. Okay, so uh, my voice feels broken, like it's not even my voice anymore. But honestly, that's the real proof of a great concert, right? Yeah, great concert. Anyway, ignore the broken voice and enjoy the talkative version of me today. So, hey, hello everyone, welcome to NonStop, Sajid. And yeah, I am talkative person, and I think you also talkative person. And guys, my English is so bad, but I am trying. Today, my vocal is like fully broken. My vocal is like fully changed. I'm trying to talk with you guys, but it's like not working. But yeah, this is my daily routine, that's why I'm making this video for you guys, and hopefully you guys love me, like me. So if you are watching this video, please like a video or dislike, and comment this, anything, just comments, okay? And if you are a talkative person, then please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss any kind of videos, okay? And my English is so bad, guys. It's time, night time, 2 uh 2 a.m. Okay, 9 minutes to 9. Okay, so what topic we discuss in this video? Okay, so I'm uploading almost 9 or 10 videos, right? Okay, I count. Please don't skip this video, okay? I'm talkative person and you are watching me. So we are going to YouTube analytics. So first I'm going YouTube analytics. Okay, my previous video got any 0 views. Got 0 views. Okay, I'm uploading content but no one watching my content. I don't know why. Okay, I think I need to improve my video. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so it's my 10th video, so you are watching my 10th video. If you are talkative person, then you can watch my 9 previous video. So mainly I'm talkative person, but it's not my real vocal. I'm saying I'm going to concert and my vocal is like proper broken, so I'm just trying, and this is my daily routine, making one content for you guys, and that's why again I'm back and making content. My voice is like robotic voice. Okay, so I think my title is like robotic voice type, okay? And then thumbnail broken voice or anything. Okay, it's okay. I'm making content instant. Okay, I don't have any kind of a script. Sometimes I have some topic about you guys, so then I'm at my notepad and then talking with you, and I'm watching my monitor and saying you about this video or whatever. So I feel time is so slow, maybe. I'm not sure. And right now, today, Friday, and you are watching me. And Thursday is great. Not bad. It's average. Out of 8, I give. Okay, I'm trying to speak my real voice. Okay. um my name is Sajid. It's not working, guys. My voice is like fully broken. I'm just trying to talk with you, but my vocal is like fully changed, guys. Oh my god. And you know, guys, I got fever type, and you know, guys, I got a cold, and yeah, I'm feeling very uncomfortable. And today my voice is like fully changed. I'm trying to speak with you, but I don't get any kind of energy, guys, seriously. But I am making content for you, so please support me, guys. And I need lots of public who watching me. Like, if you subscribe my channel, and then I feel this is me. And if you are a talkative person, then you are like totally me, and you are my friends or brother or sister or uncle or aunties, whatever. I'm just trying, and I feel I have I feel confidence. That's why I'm making content for you guys. And I'm just trying for you, making one content per day. And you have any question about me, you can ask. Sorry, you can you can you have a you if you have any kind of question about me, then you please comments. Okay, anything you can ask. Okay, so yeah. And where are you from? I mean, your country name, you can comments. And I know this is my totally robotic voice, fully changed, right? It's not my real vocal. And if you are a new person, then please watch my previous 9 videos. This is my request for you guys. And thank you so much, you are watching me. And you are watching me, that means you are my brother. And I am human, but I'm not robot. So my vocal is like fully broken, but I'm just trying, guys, because this is my daily routine, and that's why I'm making content for you. And I know it feels like today my background is like fully changed, like it's brightness low, right? My English is so bad, guys, but I'm trying. That's it. I think I need to learn. And I'm making content for you guys, so please support me. What is this, guys? I don't know. Really? Like, it's triangle. Like pyramid. Okay, guys, so thank you so much because you are watching me, and this is my daily routine making one content for you. 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever. I'm just making content, and right now it's 10 minutes. So, thank you so much for watching me, and please subscribe this YouTube channel and hype the video. And please comments anything, what topic video you want, please comments. Okay, and thank you so much, guys. So yeah, bye.